Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in week 2 in modules, January 13th through the 19th, 2019. We have 2 MLA quizzes and we have Critical Thinking Essay 2. Critical Thinking Essay 2, the topic is President Trump's 2016 campaign speech in San Diego. We'll be analyzing that for any errors in logical thinking. So let's go ahead and let's click on this week in modules through our handy link. And we see the Critical Thinking Essay 2, 5 fallacies in pathos, ethos, and logos, or we can say pathos, ethos, and logos. 1,500 words, 120 points, Thursday and Sunday due dates. And here is our MLA quiz. Now, the MLA quiz is due on January 19th, but after that you can submit it as many times as you like, so you earn the best possible grade before the semester ends. But the January 19th due date for the Critical Thinking Essay 2 is just the end of the week. We actually have a Thursday and Sunday due dates for this assignment, and I'm going to remind you of this fact. Part 1, the essay is due Thursday by 11:59 p.m. And Part 2 is the peer evaluations. They're due Sunday by 11:59 p.m. And you must complete a total of 4. And please pay attention to the word count in both of these works. Okay? So it's 1,000 words. And we also have 125 words for each of the 4 peer evaluations for a total of 500 words. In English 103, as you know from one of our first assignments, we have a 10,000 word count for this class. It is required. Okay, if you have any questions or concerns, I'm here in inbox. Please don't hesitate to contact me, and please do not submit late work unless you have a bona fide emergency. If you're going to have repeated emergencies, you might consider dropping this class. We are in a 5-week class, and I am grading 80 essays a week. So I'm pressed for time. When you fall behind, I fall behind. So it's a complicated situation. So please email me here in inbox and follow the late policy, which is here in our syllabus. Okay, let's have a good week.